Enjoy thousands of the hottest stations, podcasts, sports, and more.
Hold it. That's all.
Hi, good morning. Main choice. No, I found main choice. Swipe right, insert. You have a good one. Thank you. I appreciate it. How cool is that? I was able to go to one of my favorite places to shop and get my favorite staple products for the summer, and that's the Main Choice leave-in conditioner and the 24 karat gold from the Ancient Egyptian collection. And this is what I use for my wash and goes for the summer. So after I got home, I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and as you can see, I just started with a smaller section in the back, applied my leave-in conditioner and raked that through thoroughly from roots to ends, and now I'm applying the 24 karat gel, and I'm just raking that through evenly from roots to ends as well. And that is it. That is all I do for my wash and goes. I go section by section, and I just kind of rake my fingers through to clump my curls together. There is some shingling involved, which is just me taking individual curls and kind of massaging my fingers over just to make sure that they clump together and give me a really nice definition. And I just continue that process for the remainder of my hair, adding in the leave-in conditioner followed by the 24 karat gold gel, and then let it set overnight. And that is how I was able to achieve a successful wash and go, and this is my go-to style for the summer. With just using these two products, I'm able to achieve some really great definition for my natural curls. And that's the entire process. And as you can see in the front, my curls don't really curl as defined as the back section, but you'll see once it completely dries, I do get some shrinkage and some definition. And this is my results. Look at this, you guys. Can you believe I was able to achieve a wash and go? You know me, if you've been following me for a while, I don't typically do wash and goes, but once I got my hands on these products, I am so amazed that I was able to do this look. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.